Okay, well, the big boys are about ready to come out and play. They're just kind of doing some track cleaning. And even though I don't have my good microphone, you'll be able to hear exactly what we're talking about. Mike Barnes coming to you live from Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals. The big boys are running here. These are also... Yeah, this is what we're here for.
It's louder down here than it is in the tower, and I'm already hard of hearing.
Yeah, if you didn't catch me earlier, this is coming live from the Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals in Bowling Green. The big boys are running. This is the crowd pleasers here. Both these cars have made the top 25 of the most beautiful cars here. So these are race cars winning show car trophies. So, woo! Let's let the smoke clear. There we go. Here we go.
It's almost like Mater's here. He's almost the world's fastest backer-upper.
I'll just sit back and let you enjoy the action here. This is really something else.
Out of Holyoke, Tennessee. Both of these guys just south of Nashville, down by me. Beautiful cars, orange cars, 2 weeks old, and one of the top 25 show cars on the ground, brought to you by Low Car.
At 6.69.
666 at 206.
Woo!
And Dad runs a 680.
That's a heck of a run, and this is going on all Friday and Saturday here at the Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals. Come down here and check it out, guys. It's amazing. And now we got a couple of more. This is they call this.
Do a burnout exhibition here.
Oh, let's stick around for the burnout exhibition. This one they call Tomater.
For the racer appreciation, the shootout that guys put together offered $500 and a jacket. These are the guys that raced here the last 5 years. These are the final round, and we're going into the Low Car Top 25 Show Car Award.
That's America right there, brother.
America.
Yeah.
Sorry to any Prius owners out there.
Oh.
That's awesome.
Oh, that's too much.
Tires.
Oh gosh. And then they're backing up and they're gonna run it again. This is just awesome. Jeez, that's a long backup for Mater. I think they got the tires warmed up here pretty good now. Yeah, the crowd showing their appreciation. This thing is just incredible. This is quite the show, guys. You gotta, if you haven't come here, you gotta check it out.
I don't even know if you guys
beautiful cars and fast cars.
It was amazing. So again, don't forget the Sloan Center at the Holiday Inn tonight. Inside the building is Spill Dirt in the dozers. And of course, hanging out in the parking lot is always awesome at the Holiday Inn tonight.
Like the gentleman said, the party continues at the Holiday Inn, the host hotel.
1063 to 129 on, I'm going to say, cords left on his tires. And a 1134 at 121.
Well, that takes care of the race action here. This is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you live from the Beach Bend Raceway and the Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals.